the sisters here in Springdale, and I got to teach a couple lessons with them. And I'm at a neighborhood called, I don't even know, Russell Wob, I think. It's just a little ways down from Tyson and from some other chicken place or something. But it just got a little bit later in the evening, a little cooler, and like everyone came out to play, and it's like, whoa, just like being in the islands. Encantada. Ang ina mata. Marina. Can ibay. I was just hanging out, taking pictures, and then she came up to me, and I was like so excited. I guess she's just visiting family. Kumba. Okay. She doesn't want to say anything, and I can't think of what she should say. I'm so happy. Just a little video for me to remember.
Are you taking video or what?
Yeah, it's just a video.
Video right now?
Yeah.
I don't like video, I like pictures.
Okay. I just think it's cool. Everyone's playing volleyball and like hanging out.